Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings. This avoids interruptions while you configure focus. Once done, check for updates and then navigate to focus or do not disturb. Different phones put it in different menus. Make a quick decision about your goal. Silence notifications, block calls, or allow only specific apps. Doing that now saves back and forth later, because focus configurations depend on the intent you choose. It determines what permissions and exceptions you'll grant next. You create the focus by tapping the plus sign or create new focus, and give it a clear name that matches the purpose. Then add allowed people and apps so essential contacts and tools still reach you. Make sure to include messaging apps only if truly necessary. Next, choose home screen pages or widgets to show during focus, and set rules. Schedule times, choose locations, or enable app-based activation. These customizations control what interrupts you, so be precise for consistent results. You finish by activating the focus manually or confirming the schedule to see it in action. Test it immediately by sending a message, calling, and opening an app that should be blocked. If something still interrupts you, refine exceptions, remove or add people and apps, and make sure Focus Sync is enabled across devices. As a troubleshooting tip, if behavior remains inconsistent, reboot the device and, if needed, delete and recreate the focus, so defaults reset and rules apply cleanly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.